Dogs by Mish Goldish. 3 Heroes. One night in February 2010, more than 50 American soldiers were asleep inside a military base in Afghanistan. Unknown to the soldiers, a suicide bomber was quietly approaching the building where the soldiers slept. Wearing 25 pounds, 11 kilograms of explosives, he tried to sneak inside. Luckily, the enemy did not go unnoticed. 3 dogs on the base spotted the bomber. First, Sasha began to bark loudly. Then, Target and Rufus jumped on the enemy and bit him. Rufus left and Target right. Unable to enter the building, the bomber set off his explosives by the door. The powerful blast injured 5 American soldiers, but all of them recovered from their wounds. The 3 brave dogs were praised as heroes. They had stopped an attack that could have killed many soldiers. The blast from the bomb wounded Sasha, Target, and Rufus. Unfortunately, Sasha was hurt so badly that she was unable to recover and had to be put to sleep. Target and Rufus survived their injuries. Sergeant Christopher Duke, one of the soldiers saved by the 3 dogs, was reunited with Rufus back in the United States. A proud past. Dogs like Sasha, Target, and Rufus have aided the U.S. military for more than 150 years. In the Civil War, 1861 to 1865, and World War I, 1914 to 1918, some soldiers brought their own dogs with them. Many of the canines served merely as companions. Others were used to deliver messages on the battlefield or to guard troops. Dogs that serve in the U.S. Armed Forces are officially known as Military Working Dogs, or MWDs. Like soldiers, war dogs sometimes wear masks to protect them from breathing poisonous gas. The United States officially began to use war dogs in World War II, 1939 to 1945. At first, the animals only patrolled American coastlines to warn of possible enemy attacks. Later, war dogs were sent overseas. They guarded soldiers, weapons, vehicles, and buildings. They also were trained to attack enemy fighters on command.
We are going to pause here, and on the next slide, you're going to tell me, what is the purpose of war dogs? What is their job?